Ground crew, report status.
Pre-flight checks complete, fueling is a go.
Copy that, ground. Cleared for engine start.
All right, last bird, let's move. Get secured now. Convoy steps off in 2 minutes.
Convoy is moving. Clear the taxiway immediately.
All units, maintain speed. We have a launch window in T-minus 20.
Copy, squadron lead. Hold the line here, checkpoint is secure. Bring her in easy. We are running hot, sir. All systems check nominal.
Understood. I'm proceeding to the cockpit.
Pre-flight checks complete, all systems green.
Good hunting, sir.
Alignments look good here. Log it.
Confirmed, sir. Stealth coding secure.
All systems green. Raptor 1. Clear for engine start.
Roger that. Spooling up.
Final sweep looks good, sir.
Roger, Zulu Sierra.
You are clear to taxi.
Internal navigation systems aligned. Confirm status.
Status confirmed. We are good to go.
Clear left, clear right. Proceed to the line. Hold short of runway.
Roger, holding short. Ground control confirms green light. Clear for takeoff, runway 19er. Godspeed, gentlemen. Checkpoint confirmed. Roger that, proceeding to runway.
Thrust set, airspeed alive. Checked. 80 knots, engine parameters look good, V1 in 10.
Whiteman Tower, Doom 21 is rolling. Roger, cleared for departure, good hunting. Roger, 42, cleared for departure, see you upstairs.
Confirming flight path update, waypoint Charlie Kilo. Contact scheduled tanker at Angels 30.
Roger that, switching to frequency, good hunting.
Sloan 21 Heavy, rolling now. Roger, Sloan 21 Heavy, cleared for takeoff. Horizon is clear, move to checkpoint 3.
Roger that. Moving now.
Tarmac clear, confirm weapons hot. Affirmative, proceeding to runway 29er.
If you're making left turns, it wouldn't be too bad for me.
Okay.
So we'll see what his preference is when he gets back.
Preference, thunderstorms. Whiteman Tower, Centurion 42 Heavy is ready for departure, runway 29er.
Ground team, confirm payload status.
Negative bleed, all connections secure. Ready for mission.
Airspeed alive, rotate.
Positive rate, gear up.
Gear coming up, checklist complete.
Whiteman Command, this is Tanker 42.
Roger 42, you are clear for engine start, runway 29er. Copy that, spooling up, we are a go for rendezvous.
Engine 2 stabilized, all systems green. Clear for taxi.
Roger that, commencing rollout.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 19er. Roger that, Falcon 1, rolling now.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 29er.
Secure communications active. Awaiting orders.
Whiteman Command, this is inbound flight, confirming ascent profile.
Roger that, checking fuel transfer status now.
Our receiver is about 2 miles out.
Receiver, 6 o'clock.
Steady, slow closure, you are 5 feet from contact.
Roger, maintaining present position.
Contact established. Ground is clear, runway reports green. Roger that. Aligning with the boom, steadying the approach.
Alignment check complete. We are stable and locked on. Commencing fuel transfer.
Fuel transfer is hot. We're running high volume.
Copy that, ground. Pressure is steady.
What intercept? I mean, up front? Yeah, that was pretty sweet.
Receiver's a disconnect, move off to the left.
point 4.8.
Receiver is a disconnect.
Great, thanks. Shadow actual. Refueling complete. You are clear to proceed with mission parameters. Good hunting.
Whiteman Command, Ghost 1 requesting final clearance. Ghost 1, you are cleared for takeoff runway 19.
Clear for launch. Check your angles.
Roger, confirmed. Systems are green. Stand by on the left intake, Chief confirms green. Zulu Foxtrot, runway is hot. You are cleared for immediate departure. All clear, all green. Taxi to holding point.
Roger, rolling now.
Ground check complete, requesting clearance.
Copy. Viper 1, clear for vertical.
Clear to taxi, runway 27, follow the guidelines. Roger that. Taxiing runway 27. Clear to taxi, maintain visual on the wand.
Roger that. Rolling. Hold short. Hold short. Set your brakes now. We are at 10 zone.
Hold short of the line, just a few more degrees starboard.
Copy that. Coming right.
All systems green. Spire energized. Clear for immediate takeoff.
Roger that. Switching to tactical frequency.
All clear, all green. Final check complete. You are clear for departure.
Power stable. Ready for release.
Confirmed, you are clear for departure. All green, cleared for departure on runway 30.
Roger that. Releasing brakes.
Vector set, tower confirms green.
Cleared for short takeoff.
All systems green. You are clear for launch.
Roger. Engage. Lift off.
Cleared for vertical departure. Runway 28. Good hunting.
Roger that. Taking the tension now.
Cleared for immediate departure. Runway 29er. Godspeed. Roger that. Taking the gear up.
Whiteman ground, you are clear for departure, runway 29er. Roger that, taking the runway. See you back. Maintain hover, slight drift right corrected. Bring it down, steady, steady now. Whiteman ground, this is Lima 3, maintaining stable hover at 50 feet.
Roger that. Lima 3, winds are steady. You are clear to the deck.
Hold your position, stabilize at 40 feet. Gusting from the west, anticipate drift.
Roger that. Holding steady.
Second lock, stable hover at 50 feet. Clear on all sides, package is secure. All clear. Maintain present position, minor drift to port.
Steady. Tracking the deck. Coming down now.
Copy that, center line is clear. Whiteman, this is Harrier 59er, final vertical descent.
Roger. 5-9er. Maintain visual on the deck. Winds calm.
3 green. Wind shear advisory, maintain center line.
Roger. Fighting the thermals now. Looking at 5 feet.
You are clear to the deck, clear to the deck. Hold altitude, micro adjustment stable. Clear on the deck. All clear, all green. Clear to land, 20 feet. Roger, 20 feet, setting down. Harrier 1-1, you are clear, bring it down slow.
Roger. Steady on the mark.
Hydraulics stabilizing. Auxiliary power engaged. Systems check complete. Requesting taxi clearance. Clear the flight deck. Traffic approaching.
Roger that. Checking port side.
Chocks engaged. Aircraft secure. Black Snake 1-1. Requesting post-flight clearance. Fuel state is low. All green on deck. Secured for movement. Roger that. Commencing pre-flight checks.